For kinesiology taping of posterior neck pain, you're going to have 3 eye strips, either pre-cut or you can cut them yourselves and round the edges. You're going to get the client to forward flex their neck to stabilize the spine with the tape. You're going to break the paper off the edge of the tape and then lay it down just below the hairline, just beside the spine in the erector muscles. Create an anchor, and then with little to no stretch, maybe 10%, you're going to lay the tape down just beside the spine and rub the tape to heat activate the glute. Now on the other side, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to break the paper off the edge. Just below the hairline, you're going to create the anchor point. As you create the anchor point, you can pull the tape, and then that will allow the paper to break off the tape a little bit easier. And then right beside the spine in the erectors on the other side, you're going to lay the tape down. Now with the last strip, you want to cut it just a little bit smaller. And when you're laying the tape down, you want to break the paper in the middle this time. You're going to pull the paper on both sides. And then you're going to create an 80% stretch with the tape. Lay the tape down over the point of tension in the neck. And no stretch should be over the anchor points because that's where the tape is going to be stabilizing. Get the client to come back into extension. You should see a little bit of wrinkling in the tape. And ask them if there's any discomfort or how they're feeling. And usually they're going to say they feel stabilized.